Hi, I'm Nikki and I'm on a campsite in Finland.
She don't know where she is. Anyway, very quick video tonight from us two anyway. To show you, you need to stay tuned for this. It might be boring, but you don't know what you're going to miss or what you're going to see. But this was our weird, is the right word?
Weird, yep.
Weirdest lunch break ever. I'm dressed like this because I've been in a sauna, because we've arrived at this campsite and the Finnish, they are so proud of the fact they've got saunas.
In true Finnish style, they are obsessed with the sauna.
Yep, we arrived and said, I'd like to book it. So we got a sauna, you know. There's also a lake, it's 9 degrees. Sorry to my triathlon friends, but I have not been swimming in there, although lots of people have.
Without a wetsuit.
Yeah, so we'll cover more of that tomorrow. But in the meantime, enjoy the weirdest lunch break ever. So, turns out we're near Russia again. On today's educational tour is what, my darling?
We're going to look at some statues that an artist built because he was too scared to leave his home. Maybe that's because he lives so close to Russia.
We are at this place. So I was told it was free, and I think
no, you
it
weren't.
is.
You were told you don't have to.
Okay.
Big bishop.
And X.
Sculptures of men, I think, exercising.
He practiced a lot of yoga as well.
He practiced a lot of yoga.
Yeah, so I think a lot of these are yoga inspired.
Yoga inspired.
Yeah. And quite
Alright. So
and based on the artist himself.
that's a dinosaur though, isn't it?
Yeah. Evidently they're not all yoga.
So this is presumably a Finnish hunter. Naked, of course. Quite graphic.
In the shades, it's quite difficult to get a picture, thankfully.
Yeah.
That's a very random dinosaur in with all the people.
Yeah, so we've got... Well, there he is. There's the man, look, doing his bit.
Yeah.
Making his sculptures.
Oh, he was pretty flexible if he was doing that one.
And he's standing on a really pretty place, to be fair. Talk us through this, sir, Nikki.
I don't know. Let's see if there's an information board.
Alright. There he
No.
is.
That's not an information board.
Ah, there's women now. And a swan. Okay. I swear, I'm going to show you this, viewers, right? I swear, this one has got real teeth. Look at that. Another one with real teeth. And a man handcuffed to a tree with his pants down.
Being spanked by whips.
Oh, he's being... Oh, okay, that's what's happening. He's being whipped by this guy.
Obviously some misdemeanour. 1960s apparently.
Okay.
Obviously when the bush was still at its height of fashion.
Oh, God, she's got a massive bush on her. Now I've said it. I've got to show it.
And now you've seen it, you can't unsee it.
And you can't unsee it. He's actually put in a proper bush for that lady. But like Nikki said, what era is she from? 60s?
Well, he started in the 1960s, so maybe these were from the 70s.
Just going to follow Nikki round. Interesting that. Right, so
There are statues everywhere here.
I don't know what these two are up to.
No.
But there he is again doing his work. And there's just more of it. Dancers now. Oh my god, look at that. That one looks like Barney from the Flintstones. That one looks like Mick Jagger after a good night out. And we've got Patsy from Ab Fab. Are these meant to be people?
Well, I think some of them are modelled on people, yes.
Yeah.
And apparently this park is open 24 hours, so you can come here any time. But I'm not sure I want to be here after dark looking at some of these.
No. So we have to walk around this little path because there's more. The great thing about watching a video like this is you don't know what I'm going to see, and I don't know what I'm going to see. So if you switch off now because you're bored, you might miss something. You might not, but you might. This is a bit. This reminds me of Morph, babe. Now that is freaky. I don't like that. No, I don't like that. It's got real eyes. I'm gonna have to show you now. Oh look. Look at that one.
Oh yeah, it's got googly eyes.
It's got
hasn't
real
it?
eyes.
That's why I'm not coming here after dark.
That's sort of scary. Say again.
He did these in his spare time. He worked at a paper mill, but he didn't have any social skills. So this is what he did when he was on his own at the evening and weekend.
Yeah, but nowadays he'd be medicated, wouldn't he? Given the condition, I expect.
You've not heard of expressing yourself through art.
Exactly. He's just expressing himself through art. It's just a shame that I don't know anything about art. I don't proclaim to know anything about art. I couldn't tell you if it was art or just the workings of a madman. But I do know that the workings of a madman and art are actually very similar from my experience. But, I mean, look at it. Just... Was he bored?
I think so, yeah.
Where you go, there's more. This must be the children's path we're on then, because everything down here is kids. Oh my god, just... Oh, more with eyes that look at you. Oh, stop it. Look.
Can you just get out of my photo?
No, but if you follow this one,
Yeah.
the eyes move with you. I can see if I can pick this up on video. Right, now look. Looking over there, as I move, look, I swear, them eyes look at you. Oh, they're all... Man, this is a freaky place. Right, now look at them eyes,
Yeah.
and watch what happens when you move.
Ooh, they follow you. Ooh, I don't like that.
Now, see, that's art, because she's a plant pot. You could put your Finnish heather in there, couldn't you?
I haven't bought a Finnish heather yet. I've only got Norwegian and Swedish.
Again, this time he's wearing some sort of like, what do you call them things, bub?
A yoga toga.
A yoga toga. A yoga toga. Is that?
You know.
Oh. Look at them all. Look at the teeth. That's what I can't get over.
No.
Got better teeth than a lot of people I know, to be fair. Look. Oh, another one that's eyes follow you.
Oh, he's got the same eyes. Oh, I bet they all come alive at night, don't they?
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, we've got a proper women now with clothes on. Oh no, that's a flasher. I think. Right, so that's a lady that's been exposed to, and I think this guy is the one that's exposed to her.
But weirdly, he doesn't have anything anatomical to flash, like a lot of the models do.
Yeah, but maybe she cut it off. Maybe she should do. Towel he's put in there, like coins and buttons and a watch. Looks like a Seiko. Some heads over there. Do you think he's modelled those on people that he murdered and cut their heads off?
Maybe they were work in progress.
I reckon. Oh, around here. There's more. A harpist. Now that looks to me like something out of Wizard of Oz.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he's stolen that. Because Wizard of Oz came before he did. What's this guy here?
I don't know.
Blondie with his bits hanging out. Look, I mean, what's that? Is he reaching out? Is he trying to strangle me? What's he trying to do? Oh, he's got eyes that follow you again. This one wants a lift, look. He's hitching, this one.
This is definitely a Doctor Who kind of
Yeah,
place, isn't it?
yeah. I guarantee you. See, they all got eyes that look at you. Now, I have seen it done before, but that's some yoga pose, that one.
Yeah, I'm not sure even I can do that.
Yeah, Nikki can do a good few yoga poses. She is rather flexible. But that one over there, look, it's bent back.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to say, thanks for letting me come and visit. But I do think you're a little bit freaky. Look at the toes. Look at them plates of meat on that. Look at them. No, I'm not having it. He lived from 1944 to 2010. Yeah. So he's only 66. So yoga's not that good for you then? I thought yoga people were meant to live forever. Rest in peace. Thank you for showing me around your weird and wonderful art. And a bit more if anyone wants to come and visit this place. It might be worth a visit to you.
Well, I hope you stayed with it until the end. How freaky was that? Unless you're an art lover, in which case you probably really appreciated it.
If you like art. Anyway, that was then. This is now. We're now on a campsite a little bit further south. As I said earlier, we'll do more about that tomorrow. But I hope you enjoyed that little freaky video.
Yes.
Should have waited till like October 31st, Halloween, for that one, shouldn't we really? Anyway, enjoy your night, guys. Have a